Good evening, Itu Agashvani Kohima. Samlaga khobor puri asim kongnongla. Pohila headlines. Prime Minister Modi bra koisi judiciary bra constitution to aku takot kuri di ase. Nagaland bra kamiapi kuri 1,53,000 opor bacha khan lokadi oral polio vaccine to dise. Nagaland Assembly laka notin rakia 7th session to February 12 tarik pra suru hobali ase aro Nagaland COVID-19 gendi do 12,148 ti porhai jaise. Itia pura khobor. Prime Minister Narendra Modi bra aji koise Indian judiciary bra constitution do ako hotai takut kuri di ase aro Zimidar Khan pura pungjai kena national icha do sabse ucha di rakhi di ase. Gujarat High Court laga Diamond Jubilee function de video conference bra kotha kore Modi bra koisi judiciary bra khutai tai khan nijur kam do desh laga manokan hak bajai rakhi dia hobi nohole national icha di zeruri rakhi boli obostha dibi hobi edo khan kori ase tabra koisi ke role of law do Indian culture aro values ti dore kena bishi centuries karone thaki ase aro edo bra bal governance to dore rakhi ase Modi bra koisi ke edo bra India laga azati larai samay dibi ami khan freedom fighters lokodi moral takotu dise tabra koisi constitution banai dia khan bara bhi role of law itu di ucha dorkar rakhi ase aro preamble of Indian constitutions to bhi role of law laga resolution laga asli niyam laga koi di ase PM Modi bra koise ke eto notion of law jon to Indian values laga dorkar bhagikta ase eto bra sob manokan laga hak ase aro judiciary laga zimedari ase aro sarkar bra world class judicial system ekta do banai dibole ase tabra koise judiciary di biswas thakia bra husaru search karone larai korebole am manokan lokoti bhi takot di ase Nagaland bra intensified pulse polio immunization do kamiabi kori khatam hoisi jonda joa mohena 31st tarik suru korise state immunization officer Dr. Ritu Thorbra koisi umra shonibra pangsal ma jodi thaki estimate koria bacha khan 100% coverage to sub districts ti record hoise 31st January de both tin di chari joa bacha khan karone intensified house to house immunization koria di 1,53,741 bacha khan to state oral polio vaccine bra immunize kori disibili koise 13th Nagaland Legislative Assembly NLA laga notin rakya 7th session do ido mohena 12 tarik pra Kohimadi suru hobole ase business laga provisional program hisab di session di governor RN Ravi laga address di kina suru hobole tat pasudi obituary reference jiboli aro motion of thanks to governor's address to pohila din ri rakhibole ase question hour do February 15 tarik rakhibole ase aro session karone dosra business di annual administrative reports dia rules dia Assembly Committee reports dia Sarkar bills introduction urgent public importance laga mamla di kotha batra korea consideration of passing of government bills supplementary demands for grants for the year 2020-2021 laga presentation khan milai gina thakibole ase sal 2020-2021 karone budget to February 18 tarik diboli June to ako session laga antim din February 20 tarik consideration or passing nimiti ani diboli ase Nagaland laga COVID-19 confirmed cases to 12,148 ti porhai jaigena aji bhi Kohima de 22 noton cases kando dhorise idulukot pangsta bimar kandi charta dimapur bra aro ekta Kohima bra milai gena infection bra wapas bhal hoise aro wapas bhal hwa kan laga gindi to 11,286 ase state 85 active COVID-19 bimar khan thaki ase sob milai gena 88 infected bimar de 10 jon comorbidities bi milai gena mori jaise aro 149 manokan to dusra states ti jai jaise Union External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar bra koisi India do COVID pandemic bra aro dokobisa avastha bia hwa bra wapas bhal hoi ase aro 11% GDP growth to financial sal 2021-22 di hoboli predict kori dise tabra koisi ki Union Sarkar bra COVID pandemic to kamiabi kori samna korise tahe koisi bahar desh ti thakia 40 lakh nishana Indians kando Vande Bharat mission bra India di wapas ani dise jondo sabse pohila bar korea kamikta ase Dr. Jaishankar bra ko koise ke union budget bra healthcare aro manokan bhal bra thakiboli karone sabse ucha dorkar do rakhi ase apni khan Agashvani Kohima ba dia khobor huni ase Yunnan Sarkar bra highway sector de budget allocation de 30% nishita do ahia financial salary porhai dibli propose korise. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman bra road infrastructure porhai dibli kisuman godam khando Yunnan budget 2021-22 di janai digina parliamentary ahia sombar ani dibuli ase. Minister of Road Transport or Highways karni 1,18,000 crore toka laga outlay do dise. Tabra kusi ke 13,000 kilometer upper lamba rasta do Bharat Mala Bari Yojana nichidi award kori disi June dobra 3,800 kilometer do banai loise. Deputy Commissioner Noklak Renew Welfare pra Noklak Town Council Office come facilitation counter building do DC office complex se khulai disi jondo Municipal Affairs laga undertaking iktasi or district administration bra implement korise. Occasion di kuthakure DC bra koise ke building banai dia laga bhavana do dur jaka khandi komti dambra ghor khan banai kena officers medical staff or teachers jon kan bra bohiboli thik khorna thakia karone bishi duk pai asi tai khan karone banai dia dikhai ase. Tai bra koise ke district di alag alag sectors kan agri products marketing, aquaculture, weaving, handicraft, beads making aro tourism nation ade bahal koriboli takot thaki ase. Taibra ko district boardly koriboli nimiti education city aro tribal universities kan bhi rakhiboli dorkar janaise. Taibra ko taxi services to be Kamyungan menu hoi kampra suru korigina district di maike kan empower kori diboli bi bhavana do janai dise. Itu lokodako DC bra corporate firms lokodi aki ahiboli matikena alag alag projects korigina noton banai dia district unnoti kori dia bhakti thakiboli koise. Naga People's Front NPF MLA Mwatu Shillong Kamarbra Alumni Center come students wedding shade to Dimapur Government College DGCD Aji Kholaidisi Jondo DGC Alumni Association bra Dimapur Municipal Council lokoti milaikena banai dise. Occasion di kuthakuri Mwatu Shibra Alumni Association aro DMC lokoti center banai dia karne mon khoshido janai dise. MLA bra ko Nagalandi bodli koriboli dorkar khan bhal rasta bhal infrastructure economy bhal hola Dibra Mila Juraigana Thakiboli Nation Ade Kothado Korise. Myanmar laga sobse dangor city Yangon de military sarkar khilapi aji protest korea do khobor haise. Protest korea khan ba sarkar khilap slogans kan kolai disi aro democracy laga jet karoni matise. Tai kan bra ko dhori rakya leaders kan de Aung San Suu Kyi aro dosra kan milai gena chari diboli bi mangise. Manukhan joma korea do rokhai diboni miti sarkar ba internet to bond kori dise. Aji laga dharna to sobse pohela bar manukhan bra military sarkar khilapi rasta di olai disi jon bra civilian sarkar di Aung San Suu Kyi bra cholai thakia do February 1 tarikh hatai dise. Military bra desh dhori rakya basoti jua olop din di opposition do porhai jai ase. Streets for People Challenge laga bhakesa Kohima Smart City Development Limited KSCD Elbra CDD duita locations karne open design led competition ekta do ani dibole ase. Flagship pilot site to Kohima walkable street to NSTibra Razu Point tak 330 meter cover Korea aro neighborhood pilot site BOC market di PHQ traffic both bra BOC market area de 93 meter cover Korea thaki ase. Idonimiti KSCDL bra icha thakia manokhan logode smartnet.niua.org/India Street Challenge/cities/Kohimari register korigina design competition te bhag loboli matise. Registration to eto mohena 12 tarikh bon hobole ase. Design to ekta jury panel de experts kan architecture landscaping aro urban planning kan milai kena examine koriboli ase aro results kan do ahia mohena 15 tarikh janai dibole ase. Aro desh pra COVID-19 pandemic logodi samna kori thakia samai de ami kan so pra hushar thakiboli yad korigina tinta asani godam khan uthai kena face mask pindiboli sabun aro pani bra barbara hat dhulaboli naholi hand sanitizer cholaboli aro ekjon bra dosra majodi dur rakhi kena bachi thakibolage. Khobor says te ako headlines dubara janai di ase. Prime Minister Modi bra koisi judiciary bra constitution da ko takot kori di ase. Nagaland bra kamyab kori 1,53,000 upper bacha kan logadi oral polio vaccine to dise. Nagaland Assembly laga notin rakya 7th session do February 12 tarikh suru hobole ase aro Nagaland COVID-19 gindi do 12,148 di porhai jaise aro ajira jilla ka Nagamis khobor imanti sois kori ase. Good night.